Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. This is one of the companies that we've been selling for a very, very long time. We sell them new as well as used. We're always looking for more of them. This is a Birmingham milling machine. Nice import machine, great price, and a really nice machine depending on what you're looking for. If you're looking for full-time production of some really heavy-duty materials, this probably won't be what you're looking for. But if you're looking for something more of a hobby shop or a small maintenance shop, this will do the job all day for you. We'll run the machine, let you see everything on it. You can see the table here has no holes, nothing really major has happened to it. Somebody took good care of it. It's all original paints, very little use. Got a power table feed on here. That'll help you get back into place and feed your materials. We'll go ahead and turn our head on. Head sounds really good on this machine. Got a drawbar on there, manual drawbar. Right now we're in our low speed range. You can hear it sounds good all the way through there. We'll hit our brake, change to the high speed. Just toggle that into place a little. Okay. Now we can go on our high speed. We'll show you our feed in action. Of course, you can adjust here wherever you need your stop to be. And there you go. There's not much more to it. You've got forward and reverse of your feed. Again, your brake. Got a nice Mitutoyo digital readout. You can see right here they're changing. It's working well. Everything's been checked out on here. Comes with a Sterling certified guarantee. Let us know how we can help you if this is the machine you're looking for, or if one of these other ones might work. We have a lot of machines in stock, all different types, sizes, options, CNC and manual. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.